Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about Relativpronomen in German language. What is Relativpronomen and how we are going to use that in German language. Let's see. First, we'll see the definition and how to make a sentence with Relativpronomen. It shows the relation and connectivity between two sentences. As we already know, Relativpronomen we use to combine two sentences. It shows the relation and connectivity between two sentences. It is used to avoid the noun, normally personal pronoun. It represents alternative of personal pronouns, alternative to personal pronouns. Relative pronomen based on two things: gender of a repeated word, case of a repeated word in second sentence. So there is two sentences: gender of a repeated word, which word are repeating in these two, what is the gender of that, and the case is nominative, accusative and dative in a second sentence only. Case we take normally from a second sentence, gender we take from a first sentence. First sentence tell us about the gender and the second sentence tell us about the case. First sentence tell us about the gender and second sentence tell us about the case. The verb which is at a second position only goes to the end of the sentence. The verb which is at a second position in the second sentence goes at the end. The individual word is called relative pronomen, RP. The individual word is called relative pronomen, and the entire sentence is called relative sentence. And the entire sentence is called relative sentence. The word who, what, whose, which, etc. become relative pronomen. Let's see and understand with the example. These are the table that we use for relative pronomen. Same as the article, but the difference is then and. In article we have a then plus and. Who, which, to whom, which, to whom. Let's see with the example. Like in English we say, I have a friend, he is very rich. And if we use relative pronomen, we say, I have a friend who is very rich. So who is relative pronomen here? And we used to we use instead of he, personal pronomen. In German, ich habe einen Freund, ist sehr reich. So, in German we take a gender from a first part, einen Freund masculine, case means nominative, accusative, and is nominative. The person friend is position, nominative. Masculine nominative is there, and verb goes at the end, and ist goes at the end. Sentence like this: Ich habe einen Freund, der reich ist. I have a friend who is very rich. Let's see. Ich habe einen Freund, ruft mich an. Talking about friend, masculine, first case. Case is nominative. So masculine nominative will take there. And verb goes at the end. Ich habe einen Freund, I have a friend, der mich anruft. Who call me? Ich habe einen Freund, ich rufe ihn an. I have a friend, I call him. So here, einen Freund is masculine, gender from the first, case from the second, accusative. So accusative masculine, we have a then. Ich rufe einen Freund, then ich anrufe, verb at the end. Let's understand with the example. Let's see. Tom is ein Student. Tom is a student. Dash feel learned. So here we feel. Here we take the gender, masculine. And here we don't know case. So first of all we try to search the nominative, because every sentence has a subject, nominative. Subject is not there. So we can assume that is subject. There. Tom is ein Student who much learned. Julia is das Mädchen, neutral, and no subject is there. Then is again nominative, neutral, das. Tommy is das Mädchen, das gern tanzt, who dance gladly. Here sind die Schüler, feminine, die Schüler, plural, and no subject is there. Plural, nominative, then is the. Tom is mein Nachbar, masculine, aus den Süden kommen. There. Ich mag die Kollegen. I like the colleagues. Die wir getroffen haben. Who have meet me. I like the colleagues who have meet me. The plural accusative, the is the, because nominative is already there, so we put accusative. We heist their film, masculine, and nominative is already there, and accusative. Then du gesehen hast. What is the name of the film? Which have you seen? Marcus sucht das Buch. Marcus searched the book. Neutral and er is already there. Nominative is accusative. Das er. Tom kauft them laptop. Then laptop. We don't take the case. We take the gender. Masculine. Nominative is already there. So then. And here masculine. No nominative. Then there. Let's see. Die Kollegin heißt Pia. The colleague name is Pia. Sie ruft mich an. She called me. So we can make like this. Die Kollegin heißt Pia. Die mich anruft. Nominative, nominative, verb at the end. And we can also make 2 comma sentences. This is 1 comma sentences and 2 comma sentences. And in 2 comma sentences, their Kollegin dot die mich anruft heißt Pia. Verb comma verb. The colleague who called me up heißt Pia. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.